What's up YouTube, my name is Javi and you're watching DIY music and videos, and if you haven't done it yet, just subscribe to my channel. If you've been uploading videos for a long time, you've noticed that it took so much hard drive space, and I've been using Premiere for like 10 years or something, but I didn't create so much video until maybe last year. And I thought that it was okay to just delete the folders with the video and so on, but I noticed that it's not enough, that you need to erase the memory from another place, because as I'm going to show you right now, I have like no space, like 7 gigs or something on my C drive. So as I said, I was trying to find that folder with all those gigs that were stolen from my hard drive, and then I need to unhide some folders. And on this one, app data, if you click here and go to roaming, no, I guess that it's local Adobe. No. Or maybe, no. It was local. No, not this one. It was roaming. Roaming, Adobe, common. And here you've got a few folders. Maybe this one. Media Cache files, that in my case is 37.3 gigabytes, so it's really too much. And this one, this other, is nothing. This is the important one, you know, the one that you have to delete. And so I guess that if you can't just grab all those things and delete them, it's okay. But I just found this page, caneinfotech.com, and it has this article, how to freeze up disk space by clearing Adobe Premiere Media Cache files. And I just read the first paragraph that says, if you happen to use Adobe Premiere Pro to edit and publish videos, then you might have noticed that a large amount of disk space is consumed by it. Granted that it edits videos, and videos are large in size, and when you have such large files in your computer, you are bound to use a lot of storage. But there is more to this. Adobe Premiere also stores those videos in its Media Cache database for quick access. And when you have media files in your cache, now they know that they consume a large percentage space of your hard drive. So here are the steps. Then I need to open my Adobe Premiere Pro, and let's see if this works, because you know, sometimes you read some tutorials and so on, or maybe on YouTube videos, and they, for some reason, they don't work for you. Maybe they work for others but not for you. And also I'm still working on some of the projects, so maybe I can't erase all this data, but if I can recover, because I didn't show you, I'm going to show you right now. As I only have 7.94 gigabytes, I need to do this really quickly. So as it says, I'm going to move this to the other screen, okay? And it's from the menu, click on edit, and preference, media, and here under media cassette database, I guess that is this one. You know, I have it on Spanish, so click on clean. I guess that is this one that says erase cache from non-used, or I guess that this is this one, but I'm not sure. Let's click it. And now, oh yeah, 23.6 gigabytes, almost like 15 gigabytes or something. So right now I'm quite happy because not only I saved some space from my hard drive, but I guess that maybe it will work better right now. Although if I use the Ccleaner I could save some more space, but you know, sometimes you... No! No. Fuck. I was uploading a video, so I guess that I will have to re-upload it right now. As you have seen, only 256 megabytes, so that couldn't help so much. And well, now I'm partially happy that I've just closed the Google Chrome thing, so I need to re-upload this video. Not that happy, but anyway, I just freed my hard drive. I'm so happy. I hope that you find this video useful. In this case, please just give me a thumbs up. If you don't, I'm so sorry. Give me 2 thumbs down. And we are done. So remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to stay tuned with my latest videos. See you next time. Cheers.